Next, I will introduce the two data collection methods of the RS7. To improve usability, CHC Navigation provides two data acquisition methods: SmartGo Software Control and One-Click Control. When using SmartGo for data collection, the interface displays the scanning trajectory and real-time point cloud. During data collection, monitor the real-time point cloud to ensure complete coverage of the scanning area. In addition to SmartGo Control, the RS7 also supports one-click data collection using the button on the battery handle. After powering on, a solid blue indicator light indicates the device is in standby mode. Press and hold the collection button on the top of the handle to start scanning after initialization. The indicator light changes from solid blue to a blue-green breathing light. Press and hold the collection button again to stop scanning. A slowly flashing green light indicates that the device is saving data. When the green flashing stops and the solid blue light returns, the device is back in standby mode.